we can never agree on who owns the South China Sea. Okay, because nobody owns anything. Nobody owns the airspace, the land, or the waters. They cannot be divided. Okay, and so what we need to do is set aside the high politics of territory and sovereignty and work on the low politics area. Yun, people to people, academic exchanges, marine scientists, cooperating with marine scientists. Alam mo, lingid sa kaalaman ng marami. Kasi ang kapitbahay ko sa UP, si marine scientist Mike Fortes, for the past 30, 40 years, they have been cooperating with the marine scientists of China. And they're not talking territory. They're talking about the sea plants. They're talking about the ocean. They're talking about one ecology.
Yes.
Because there's only one ecology. Sana may map tayo rito, no?
Yes, yes.
Kasi pag makita mo dyan sa map, the coastal areas is, dyan pinapanganak yung mga fish.
Yes.
Saan siya lumalaki? Siyempre susundan niya yung ambient, ano? Nandun siya lumalaki, Edwin, dun sa part ng China, or what China claims.
I
Eh, paano naman yung isda natin? Miski isa hindi nagbibigay, di ba?
agree.